Welcome back to Wowzers! This is Jess, and today we're going to take a closer look at the Reports tab. So here we are back on the main dashboard since I've just logged into Wowzers. And as your students use Wowzers, you'll want to see how they're doing and check up on their successes and struggles. To find this information, choose a classroom, and then click the Reports tab at the top. Here, you'll find a variety of reports that update in real time as students progress through Wowzers. These reports are available in different file formats, and many of them can be easily downloaded and integrated with digital gradebooks. Each of the reports on this page fulfills a different need for information. The next few videos in the series will go over each report in greater detail, but for today, let's just look briefly at each one to get a feel for what data it includes. Keep in mind that some of the settings and depth of information on these reports will vary depending on what type of account you have. First up is the summative NWEA report. If you use our NWEA integration to create a customized curriculum path for your students based on their MAP growth test scores, we recommend using this report to see how students' test scores have improved over time and how much they used Wowzers during that time. Next is our summative report, which includes overall trends over an adjustable period of time. This information provides a way for teachers or administrators to quickly check in on a large number of students or classrooms. After that, you'll find the summative activity report. This report offers a detailed look at all of a student's activities and time spent on Wowzers. You can use this data to check how long a student typically takes to complete content and adjust the student's path through the content accordingly. You can also choose a time frame to pull the report. The summative report card is up next. This report provides you with a simple and easy to understand report of Wowzers assessment data. It provides the date, grade, time, subject, and score. Next is the standards report, which you can use to see how many students have encountered each standard and how they performed with these standards. This information can be sorted and filtered by each category. The usage report allows you to view a graph of the time students have spent using Wowzers. This can be used to establish goals and check progress, as well as compare the class's overall use of Wowzers. The quiz scores report is color-coded and allows you to see which concepts your students struggle the most with and where you might need to provide additional intervention. The total section report breaks down student performance by grade and section. At an organization level, you can see how performance is changing over time. You can view this report by classroom, school, and district. Under this, we have all the individual student reports. You can choose to look at their report card, which lists all of their Wowzers assessment scores, their activity report, which shows which activities they completed so far in Wowzers, or their progress report, which shows how close they are to mastering each standard. Alternatively, you can access these student reports from the classroom dashboard when that's more convenient for you. If you're already looking at a particular student, you can see a list of their student reports in this section. Clicking one of these reports takes you to the same view as if you clicked it from the Reports tab. Okay, that's a brief overview of all of our available reports. In the rest of this video series, we'll go over each one of these reports in greater detail, as well as how you can use the main dashboard to get additional information on how your students are doing. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.